After disassembling the 4 fixing screws, it is necessary to remove the motor from the back of the machine. The holes marked in the circle need to be aligned one by one. The holes marked in the circle need to be aligned one by one. After fixing the installation position, one person needs to push the motor forward from the back, and the other person needs to install the fixing screws from the front. Install silicone gasket. Install mixing blades. Please pay attention to the direction inside the mixing blade.